Hi, Princey. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am doing great. Everything is going smoothly in my side. You tell me, how is life treating you nowadays?
Everything is fine, ma'am, and going smoothly. And today's weather is also very sweet and cloudy.
Okay, great. So, as this is our first interaction, I would love to know about yourself. So, please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Princy Pandey. I'm from Gunda, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation and my Bachelor of Education from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University. I am seated and estate qualified. I have also educational YouTube channel where I create animation video to help learners. And I'm also a tutor, and I have 4 years of tutoring experience. But I'm an offline tutor. And apart from these, I love reading books, connecting with the people, and improving myself. That's all about me now.
Amazing. You are a tutor, then you have YouTube channel, then you have
Yes, ma'am.
work experience as well in teaching field.
Yes,
Amazing.
ma'am.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And your
Ma'am,
favorite
also, I am also a student and I'm preparing for government examination.
Okay, okay, understood. So you are from UP, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm from UP.
Okay, shall I introduce?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you know, I am Jyoti Mishra. I live in Pune. I am basically from Bihar, your neighbor state, but I live in Pune. Previously, I was working in corporate sector, but I was not enjoying that much, so I left that job. Now I am more into conversational video and I am improving my English so I can do something better in my life because I was not
Okay.
enjoying. Along with that, I run a YouTube channel and I am into teaching as well. If I talk about my
Okay.
hobbies, there are multiple hobbies. What I love to do whenever I get time, like reading, writing, creating content for my channel, playing chess, badminton. I have a green thumb. That's all from my
Okay.
side.
Wonderful, ma'am. You
Thank.
are, it seems that you are a multi-talented person.
Yes, whenever I get time, I always love to explore new things. So that's why there are
Yes,
multiple
ma'am.
hobbies. And sometimes I also love to prepare some dish, some new dish. Not,
I also like cooking, ma'am.
I would not say I love cooking. I feel bored, to be honest. But when I learn some new recipe, then I feel happy. Otherwise, I don't love cooking at all. I feel very much
Okay, okay.
bored. But yes,
It's mean you like exploring.
yes, if I get new idea, I can create some new dish for my family or for myself as well. So then I feel happy. Otherwise, the daily repetition work I don't like in kitchen. But yeah, we
Okay,
have to
okay.
do
I
because
understand.
yeah, because we have to do. There is no such option. We cannot get the outside food every day. That is not possible for our health as well.
Yes, ma'am.
That is requirement. But yes, in one line, I can say I love exploring new things. I always try to explore
Yeah,
myself, what is my level and what I can do.
yeah.
Still, I am into this journey because there are multiple things I can do. I believe there are multiple things I can do.
Yes, ma'am. And I think after knowing English, you can explore more and more in your life.
Yes, when I was working, so I was thinking there is no such new things. Like I know everything, I was excellent in my work, but I don't have much option to explore. The same repetition work,
Yeah.
I was aware of everything and I was doing, but there was nothing to learn new. So then I thought, no, I need some changes in my life, and I'm more
Yes, ma'am.
into business. So I can say I don't prefer 9 to 5 job as well. I am more into
Yeah.
business. So I don't want to work under anyone. I want freedom. Like if I
Yeah,
don't,
I understand. You want work according to your mood and according to your need.
yes. And YouTube,
That's great, ma'am. And I think choosing yourself is better.
yes, you should love yourself always.
Yes,
Society
ma'am.
and sometimes your family will not love you always. They
Yeah.
can be against you, but you should prioritize yourself, your mental health. That is very
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
Whatever you love, you should do every day. So I always try to do
Yeah.
because I love create content. I love interact with people, no matter what I am facing, what is my current situation. But I create every day, whether it is Sunday or
Yeah.
Monday, because it is weekend. So sometimes we don't
Yeah.
feel to do anything. But
Yes, yes.
because I love, so I do. Okay, tell me something about you, like your YouTube journey and your who inspired you to create channel and your tutor journey as well. I'm curious to know about you.
Okay. So first of all, I want to say that I'm an aspirant, so I'm also preparing for government examination. Recently, I have cleared KBS NBS examination, teaching examination,
In
and
KV.
I am preparing KBS, ma'am, Kendriya Vidyalaya,
Yes,
Kendriya Vidyalaya and
KV.
Navodaya Vidyalaya.
Yes, KV. You mentioned KV, right? So there is,
Okay, okay.
yes, understood.
So after clearing that examination, I have given my means, and now I'm preparing for my interview. And there is some reason of delaying my result, so I am waiting for it still, and I'm preparing for my interview. And apart from these, when I was preparing for my teaching career, I learned something new, and I explored that there are a lot of content which is so hard to understand for English student. Like there is so many diction which is so hard to understand. So I just get an idea to create some animation. So I created animation on a very difficult poem like John Milton's Paradise Lost. So I created just like a movie, so that it helps student to take joy in it and understand what about all about the thing which is given in the poem in a very you can say interesting and engaging way. So there I start my journey, but I have to quit it because my mains exam came, and I have to give my written examination. Then I quit it, and now I'm not doing any YouTube video at this time, but I will continue after some time, and I will clear my interview examination.
Okay, great. So your channel was all about education as well. You try to
Yes, ma'am.
explain the things that is not that much clear to students. So you try to make it
Yeah.
clear, make it easy for
Yeah.
the student. Okay, amazing.
By and by making animation by using AI tools and making animation. I think everyone like listening stories. So in English literature, there are a lot of poem which is so hard to understand when we are going with text. But when we watch any movie or any animation, I think it's so easy to understand, and it also feels so interesting, engaging for the student. So I just try to help other learners.
Okay, understood. Great idea, I would say. And your hair is
Thank
looking
you.
so amazing, so gorgeous. I'm
Thank you so
facing
much.
I'm facing some hair fall. Can you suggest me some tips? What can I do for my hair? Because I had very long hair, but nowadays I'm facing, I don't know because of weather condition or what is the reason, but I'm facing some issue. Can you suggest me anything? I would be happy.
Ma'am, first of all, I want to say you that it is our genetics, and a genetic is more important for your hair fall or anything. And apart from this, you can do some thing like oiling sometime. And I don't prefer so much oiling. I just prefer oiling on Saturday so that I can easily wash on Sunday. And I think too much oiling is not good, and taking care of your hair is also important. Don't try to do so much shampoo on your hair, because it also affect your hair, because there are so many chemicals in it. So I think too much shampoo is also harmful for our hair fall.
Exactly. I also feel the same. And I also apply oil once in a week before hair wash. I apply air before one night. I prefer because we don't like that much oily hair when we get when we go outside or when we record
Yeah.
anything. We don't feel that much comfortable. So
Yes, ma'am.
we prefer to take hair wash after applying oil in our hair. So yes,
Well,
I
yes, ma'am.
apply. Still, I'm facing maybe because of I have read
Oh,
somewhere.
yes, yes, ma'am. It can be possible that the weather is not good, or the water which is coming is not good for your
Yes,
health. So it can be. so many reasons behind it.
Yes, I have checked
You
out,
have
and
to you should try to find out the reason. What is the main reason of your hair fall?
yes, I have researched on it,
Yes.
and I got two reason. First one is water, because I use direct water,
Yeah.
what comes in the tap. Then I got some suggestion. You should use the RO water for your hair. That is not good. Direct
Yes.
water is not good for your health. It causes your hair fall. So I am thinking now
Yeah.
I will use RO water for my hair. And second thing is
Yes, it will
weather.
definitely work. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And second reason was weather. In Pune, it is raining. So sometimes it happens because of weather changes, you face some issue in your hair.
Yes,
So
yes.
that
Yeah.
was two reason, but I am facing some issue. I hope it will reduce by the time, but it is very irritating. You get hair in your home, here and there. It is so much irritating. So I don't love
Yes,
this.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I'm trying to find out the way. What can I do? But
Ma'am,
yes,
you will definitely cure our hair because I think you are multi-talented and you explore a lot of things. So
yes,
it is easy for you to explore. You can also explore online. You can take help from some AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT. You can go through and post some reason behind it
yes.
and some remedies also,
Yes, thank you
home
so much.
remedies.
And yes, I have also changed my shampoo as well. My conditioner, my shampoo, I have changed also. Earlier, I was
Ma'am,
using,
I think I think that doing so much shampoo is also very harmful for us, and we always prefer doing shampoo. But I think doing so much shampoo is not good.
not good,
When
yeah,
we try to wash our hair more and more, then I think it affects our hair.
definitely. I will work on it and I will try to solve it as much as possible, as soon as possible. Okay, do you have any
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
Feel free to ask.
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask you about your journey,
YouTube
how you
journey?
started your speaking journey. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so speaking journey, I can say this year only. Previously, I was speaking, though that was not that much consistency in my office. But yes, sometimes we need to speak at that time. But I was struggling somewhere because I was not speaking every day. It was occasionally, so I was struggling. So I thought I need to work on my English. Whether I am good at, because I have good knowledge about grammar, like I know tense, parts of speech, then voice, narration, but speaking is different. So I was
Yes,
struggling
ma'am.
in speaking, but I also love reading books. So I got lots of idea, vocabulary, then sentence structure. I got lot of things, but if I am not speaking, so still I will forget. I will struggle to speak. So then I created some. Sorry. Then I connected with some tutor. They mentioned you should have a channel. It would be
Yeah.
great for your journey, and you can maintain your consistency as well, because when you have a channel, I believe you have external force. Okay, I have some audience.
Yeah.
I need to upload something. I cannot just leave. If I don't want, I don't want to record, so just leave it. No, there is
Mm.
some pressure, so it would help
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
So I take it seriously, although it was their suggestion and it really worked for me. And I thought,
Mm.
let's give it a shot, and it really worked well. I have improved a lot. I can see my progress, and I couldn't be
Yes,
more
yes.
happy when I watch my last video. I feel so happy, and same time I am proud of myself. Okay, I have improved on my own. I have not taken any classes, just by
Yeah.
using YouTube, reading books. I have improved a lot. You can see my video. There is drastically change in my way of speaking,
Yes, yes.
because when I was connected with a tutor, they mentioned you are not able to maintain your eye contact. Because when I
Yeah.
was try to speak, I was thinking something, so I was looking here and there. I was not able to maintain eye contact. Then I was
Mm.
so underconfident. So I believe speaking comes by speaking. There is no such rule. You will get
Yeah.
fluency just by reading books or just by watching video. No.
Mm.
Today, if you will start speaking, in 1 month you will start feeling comfortable without putting any extra
Yes.
effort. Just you need to show up.
Yes.
So I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
great believer, and yes, that is my journey. I have not done anything extra. This is only one thing I am doing every day. Previously, it was tough for me as I was working, so I was not that much available in the morning, like a 9 to 5 job. Then traffic in Pune it is huge. So on weekends,
Yes.
I was able to upload video and record session. But nowadays, because I am thinking if I know English, there is multiple opportunity I can do from my home as
Yes.
well. If I don't want
Yes.
9 to 5 job, still there are multiple option I have.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Absolutely.
that is one thing in my mind, and I am working, and I believe I can do lots of things because I have learned a lot of things on my own. I have not taken any course without investing any money. So now I feel
Okay.
I can do a lot of things. And yes, this is only the mantra. You have to record video if you want to improve. So YouTube is important.
Okay, that's wonderful journey, ma'am. And as you have mentioned that you have started from just 1 month, and you have and I can see that your fluency is so good at this time. So
Yes,
it's a wonderful
yes,
thing.
yes. Go ahead.
And I want to say that I'm also just started from 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm not consistent. That's why I sometimes feel a little bit nervous and underconfident. And in the starting, when I started, I was so much introvert type person, and I always feel shy when I have to face any interview call or anything. So that time I also take one step towards it, that I will face whatever it will. So after facing person, I now I'm feeling a little bit more confidence, but I'm not much consistent towards my journey, because I'm also as parent. I have to take classes, and I have to maintain my studies also. So that's why I can't be consistent at this time. But after meeting with you, I think you are also working and managing all those things. I'm so inspired with you. I will also try to be continue in my journey.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me that I can inspire you. But yes, I believe if you want to improve, you will have to speak. Whether you
Yes, ma'am.
are uploading video on your channel or not, it is not matter. But you should speak at least for 10-20 minutes. It is very important. And
Yes.
as you mentioned, I feel underconfident because you are not consistent. Even if
Yes.
I take break for 2-3 days, I start feeling underconfident because
Yes, ma'am. It happened.
when I practice every day, I feel very much confident. No matter what question
Yes.
you will ask, I will try to give my best. But if I'm not able to do, no problem. I can say, sorry, I am not aware of this topic. But when I take break,
Yes.
I start feeling fumble, a lot of things. So I think
Yeah.
consistency is important. And a YouTube journey, I can say it is about 3 months now, but previously I was not consistent at all. But in one
Okay.
month, I am consistent. You can say last 1 month, I am very much consistent on my channel, and I can
Okay.
see my improvement. So I can suggest you whether I know you are an aspirant and it is tough to take out sometimes because I was also preparing.
Yes.
I know the pressure, but if you want to you want to improve your English, so yes, try to speak at least for sometimes because it is also
Yes, ma'am.
important. If you know English, society will respect you, as you know, whether it is just a language.
It's yeah. I think if you want to explore the world, you want to know a lot of about words, you want to travel in world, you have to be able to speak in English, because this is a global language. This is most important language in today's life. Also, it is a AI generation, and everything is going to be in English after some time, I think. So it's so important to be aware about this language, and to be consistent in this language, because after some time only this language will help you to grow, to know, and to aware all those things which you want to be. So I'm actually I'm a student of literature, and I have done my graduation with literature. So I have learned a lot, and English is my favorite language also. I am good in writing and expressing my thought while I'm writing, but it time to came to express myself through conversation, it sometimes feel hard for me to do it. That's why I'm trying to be consistent and trying to face some persons. And I think it will also help me for my interview as well. That's why I'm facing people and I'm trying to talk with more and more persons so that I can grow and I can enhance my confidence also.
Yes, definitely. We all good at writing and reading also. I really
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
very happy when I read some book. Um, I love reading books. Like my genre is self-help book, so I feel very happy. But it doesn't matter how many books I have read, I cannot improve my speaking. So there is
Yes, yes,
difficulty.
ma'am. Yeah, for speaking, you have to speak in front of someone.
Yes.
Actually, I was trying to speak with AI, and I was preferred using Gemini. So in the morning, I try to speak with Gemini for 10 or 12 minutes. But I think facing real person is different thing. It's just different to talk with any AI app or any AI tool. I think a real person always try to give you diverse things, diverse topics to explore yourself, to explore himself, and it also helps to understand how I will face the real person. So I think real conversation is very important, and if anyone want to speak, they have to speak first of all.
Yes, AI is helpful always. I use AI very much. Every time, if I stuck somewhere, I need some help, I use it. And it is really helpful every day. But when it comes to
Yes, ma'am.
speaking, I don't prefer speak with AI. You get idea a lot of things. You can speak, you can share your thought, and if you make mistakes, it can correct you as well. But you don't get
Yes.
confidence. Real
Yeah.
people can give you the confidence only. You know
Yeah.
how to handle the
Absolutely.
pressure, how to maintain eye contact. You
Yeah.
learn a lot. So I prefer taking
Yes, ma'am.
session over AI.
Yeah, I'm agree with you, and I think uh, real person when you are facing real person, it's a different kind of feeling, and talking with AI is different. Talking with AI, you don't feel any type of fumble or any type of fear. But in front of a person, when you are doing eye contact and also using your all senses, I think so. It's a hard to do a right conversation or doing conversation with confidence and expressing yourself naturally. It's not too easy. So I think if we want to enhance our self motivation, or we want to enhance our English, we have to face real person.
True. It is very helpful for me, and I get a lot
Yes,
of idea whether it is plus or minus. I always get feedback, and if I speak with a tutor or any expert person, I always ask for my feedback, like where I make mistakes. Can you suggest me some idea so I can work on that?
mm.
So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm always feedback oriented person. If I make mistakes and if you can correct me, so I will be very happy, so that I can work on my gray area. And I believe
Yeah.
feedback is very important. If you want to improve,
Yes, ma'am.
you cannot improve by yourself. It will take a lot of time.
Yes, sir. So ma'am, what feedback do you want to give me?
I don't think you make a lot of mistakes. You are very much confident, and also you know English very well. I cannot say you don't have grammar idea and the sentence structure. You all know everything. You just need to speak. I can
Yeah,
give you
I need
only
to
one.
practice.
Yes, I can give you
Okay.
only one suggestion that is very much good for you. Take out sometimes for the speaking part, whether it is audio call, because you are part of our group, so you can get
Yeah.
partner. If you don't want to
Yes.
record every day, you can speak at even on audio call. You know, we have option audio call.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but
Hmm.
try to speak. Initially, when I was not that much free because of my work. So I used to do in my office as well. Like I get free, lunch break or tea break. So I
Hmm.
used to
Hmm.
speak for 10-20 minutes. So then I get
Okay,
a lot
ma'am.
of idea. Okay, I can
Yeah.
speak on that topic. This is my perspective. So it would help you
And
a
I
lot.
also feel so happy after connecting with you because you are so lovely person, and I'm feeling so positive energy from your end also.
Yeah, people mention you are so much positive because I believe if you are positive, no matter what is your condition, because we know we are human beings, we all have lots of issue. I am also facing some problem. You also have some problem, and our
Yes, ma'am.
desire is endless desire we have. As a human being, we want everything at a time. Like I want this also. If I talk about
Desire
myself.
will never end in our life.
Yeah, if I talk about myself, I have multiple choice. I want to do this thing at this age only, this year only, and you have also because we are human. We have endless desire, but positiveness is very important. If you can
Yes.
inspire others and if you can add some value in their life, that I believe that is very important. That is very good.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. So you are a book lover and you love self-help book. So any book which you have read recently, can you mention and can you tell some crux of that book if you
Yes.
want?
Yes, definitely. I would love to share. So I have read 4 to 5 books last 2 3 months.
Okay.
So one book is that I love the most. That is Sudha Ma'am's book, Voice and Otherwise. And this is
Okay.
so nice story. And this is only 2 pages story. And
Okay.
yes, book is very lengthy, but story is very short, like 2 pages. So if you are taking tea, you can complete one story at a time. And you
Okay.
and I love this thing very much because if the story is 4 to 5 page, 6 page, and I have not get that much time in a one shot, then you start forgetting the whole story. What was the earlier page?
Mhm.
I forget.
Mhm.
But this thing, what I love the most, she shared her experience about Tamil Nadu or her state, what she does, what is her life experience, and she was the first employee in her company, woman employee,
Yeah.
and she struggled a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
So she mentioned everything so nicely. Even we know a lot of story. We have a lot of experience. Like if I went market
Mhm.
yesterday and I faced some issue, like it was not my good experience. So we forget. Okay,
Mhm.
it was not good day. We forget. But she mentioned before 20 years what would happen, what was happened. She mentioned so nicely. Like
Yes.
I was 20 and it was the scenario with me. So I am really
Yes.
amazed how what is her memory level? We forget within a month we
Yeah.
forget.
We forget our thing.
But she mentioned
I have also I have also watched Sudha Murthy ma'am's interview, and she's so inspirational teacher as well.
yes,
And she also told a story to the student about her student. So she's so amazing, I think. And if you have read about her story, so it's amazing.
yes, and it is all about her lifestyle. There is no another
Yeah,
character. She is always present in every story.
yeah,
She is there. Like I was doing that in every story. The story is all about her around the surroundings.
mm,
So I really love that
yeah.
story. And other book name is Attitude is Everything. It book I can say
Okay,
this book is also amazing, and it has changed my perspective. Like what is your attitude, what is your behavior, it make your personality. So
okay.
it is also
One
amazing.
question is okay, ma'am. I want to ask one question. As we all know that in our life, sometime some person say that this girl is showing so attitude. I
Yeah,
think you also know this. But after reading this book, what are you feeling? What is real attitude?
I believe be natural. You don't need to prove anyone. You are not
Yeah.
here to prove anyone. You should prioritize yourself over the world. No one can help you. If you are in the disaster, if you are in the problem, you are the only one who can help you. Society, even
Yes.
family member, they are not
Yes.
always with you. If you
With you.
do
Yes.
whatever they want, they are very happy. But if you take action for your happiness, even a single time, you can
Yes.
analyze my whatever I mentioned. You can analyze.
Yeah,
Like
I understand, ma'am.
in your family, if you do whatever they want, they are very happy. But if you take action, even a one time, for your happiness, for your whatever you want, for your desire, they would be very angry at you. So
Yes,
the
yes,
crux is, the whole crux is all about the story is you should do whatever you love to do. Otherwise, you
yes,
cannot maintain, and
yes,
you will be always in puzzle. What should I do? But whatever you love, you should do. And no matter what other things, whatever you do, you should do. You can continue for a long time. That is important.
yes,
And you can
yes.
earn money
It's
as well.
wonderful.
This is what I
Yes,
understand.
ma'am.
This is my understanding.
Okay. So I also believe that attitude is two types. There is positive and negative attitude, and it's all about what you think, what you do, and what you believe in. So this is attitude. This is not any attitude. Sometimes person relate attitude with proud, but attitude is not proud. It's
Yes.
something different, I think. And as you mentioned, I will try to read this book. I feel that this book is very much helpful for me.
Yes,
I
you,
have also,
yeah, go
yeah,
ahead.
I will read.
You will get more idea if you once read that book. You will get more clarity. If you have some struggle like of what should I do, whether
Yes,
this
ma'am.
or this, you will get more clarity of thought. Okay, this is meant for
Yes,
me, I can continue this. And after reading that book, I believe this is my journey. Whatever I am doing, this is the great thing what I am doing, and this is my future. Like in English,
yes,
I am trying to do something. So after reading 3 to 4 books, I get some clarity of thoughts. That's why people always mention you should read book. So I am
yeah.
always,
Book is very helpful, ma'am. I think if you are going to any mentor or any social media videos or anything, they just give their perspective, but book give you the real knowledge, what is the real thing, and what you should do and what you can do, what is perfect for your needs. So I also prefer book for self help. I have also read recently a book which is the art of being alone, and it's also such a wonderful and amazing book. I think everyone must read. If anyone want to meet herself or himself, they must read this book.
yes, the name is itself clarifying the meaning of the book. So
Yes, ma'am.
how to learn how, like be alone, because we all know we are alone. uh,
Yes,
at the end we are alone. There is no one
yes,
who is
ma'am.
always with us. So you
Yes,
mentioned the book. I understand the whole concept. I can understand. After reading that book, you can get the idea how to live alone. Like we always,
yes. How to live with yourself, how to love yourself, and it's very important to love yourself firstly if you want to love anyone. If you want to connect with anyone, first of all, connect with yourself. This is mentioned in this book, and I love this book. And I think anyone who want to connect with himself, or who because this is an AI era and everyone is busy in chasing and finding their jobs, finding their dream goals, but they forget to connect with themselves. And I think this is a very big lag between us, between human beings, which going on. We never try to understand ourselves. We try to be polite with other when they are need. We try to calm our friends when they are so frustrated, but we never try to calm ourselves when we are frustrated. We never try to gift ourselves. So first of all, we should try to be ourselves as you are. You should try to accept yourself and love yourself. So this is what I have learned from this book, and I love this book.
great sharing. Yes, the clarity I understand, because if you don't love yourself, you cannot love others. Because
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you are an empty cup, how can you feel love to others
Yeah,
life? First, you need
yeah,
to
absolutely.
fill yourself. You should have some
Yeah,
knowledge, you should have financial freedom, then you
yes,
can do something for you as well as for others. So
yes,
you need to be successful for yourself first, then for your
yes, ma'am.
family and society. That is what
Yeah.
I understand.
And I think you are a very quick learner also.
Yes, I always get this compliment in my office as well. Like if the team leader or manager mention anything, so I was very attentive there because I am very focused person. You know, if you explain anything, I will be there only. So I grab
Yes.
very easily. So they always mention like you know, but your team member they don't know. So you should make her understand also. So they always
Yes.
mention what you have mentioned, quick learner. So yes, this is
Yeah.
one compliment I get very often.
Okay.
Okay, then it was really amazing. Anything else you want to share? We have 3 minutes.
No, ma'am. No, it's okay. And it's a wonderful and amazing session with you. I enjoyed it very much. And I also feel so confident with you. And I think it's a very positive and worth conversation for us.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, very much. And thank you so much for reaching out. Bye bye. Take care. We will connect again.
Thank you so much, ma'am.